Prepositions with verbs in Gujarati. We have previously learned how to use prepositions with pronouns and nouns in these lessons. Let us see how to use prepositions with verbs in Gujarati. Like in English, not all prepositions can meaningfully be used with verbs, so frequently used ones are discussed here. I have logically divided prepositions into these types for simplicity of understanding. First one is prepositions which are related to future action or a general action. For example, for doing, about doing, etc. Prepositions which are related to action that has happened. For example, after doing. Prepositions used just before action. For example, before doing. And fourth one is preposition related to an ongoing action. Let's see first one. Prepositions which are related to future action or general action are used after verb plus va. So, for doing is karava mate. For using is vaparava mate. About using vaparava vishe. In use vaparvama. Example, I asked his permission before doing this. આ કરવા માટે મેં એની પરવાનગી માગી. This building is in use. આ ઇમારત વાપરવામાં આવે છે. Second type of prepositions are used after verb plus ya. After doing, કર્યા બાદ. After speaking, બોલ્યા બાદ. After sitting, બેસ્યા બાદ. Example, after he spoke, people clapped. If you're talking about someone with respect, so in polite form you will say, તેઓ બોલ્યા બાદ લોકોએ તાળીઓ પાડી. He came after I came. હું આવ્યા બાદ તે આવ્યો. A special condition in this type of prepositions, if stem of verb changes in past tense, then ya is added to past tense stem. For example, for verb javu, it is not jaya but it is gaya, because past tense of javu is gayo, gai, gayu, etc. So we add ya to gaya. I came after he went. તે ગયા બાદ હું આવ્યો. Another subrule. For a few verbs in past tense we use suffixes tho, thi, dhum, etc. For example, pidhu, lidhu, khadhu. For such verbs, instead of ya, we will append dha. So, after drinking, pidha bad. After eating, khadha bad. Third type of prepositions are used after verb plus ta. Before doing, करता पहला. Before speaking, बोलता पहला. Think before speaking, बोलता पहला विचारो. Ask me before opening door, બારણું ઉઘાડતા પહેલા મને પૂછો. He saw me eating. એણે મને ખાતા જોયો. Verb form is repeated twice to indicate two actions happening simultaneously. For example, mobile fell from my hand as I was eating. ખાતા ખાતા મારા હાથમાંથી મોબાઈલ નીચે પડ્યો. Tell me your story as you are driving car. કાર ચલાવતા ચલાવતા મને તારી કથા સંભળાવ. So, if your friend is driving a car and you say him that you keep driving car and simultaneously tell me your story. So, you will say, car चलावता चलावता मने तारी कथा संभळाव. Fourth type of preposition is used after verb plus ti वखते. Example, while doing, करती वखते. While speaking, बोलती वक्ते. Do not speak while eating. खाती वक्ते बोलता नहीं. Do not disturb me while I am studying. હું અભ્યાસ કરતી વખતે મને ડિસ્ટર્બ નહીં કરતો. Connecting two verbs using and. In English, we use preposition and to join two verbs to indicate that one action is followed by another. For example, come and see this, sit and eat it. In Gujarati, we will suffix ine to first verb to indicate continuation. Examples: sit and watch, બેસીને જો, come and go, આવીને જા. He came and saw it. એણે આવીને જોયું. They will go and check it. તેઓ જઈને ચકાસશે. Smile and say. હસીને બોલ. Thank you.